Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this bank-grade money counter machine that this brand sent to me for the video that I'm going to show you in a close-up in a few seconds and how it works and how it looks and everything. But the bottom line is that if you need something reliable, easy to use, like super easy to use, and also that it's not one of those like super big ones that are going to take too much space in your store, in your house, in whatever you want to take it with you, this could be the one. It comes with the instruction manual, which is super easy to understand. You're not going to have to read it too long just to know what the buttons are going to do. But basically, you can do batch, you can do multiple currencies, you can do just count on the value or just count on the bills, or you can do both. You can actually add some batches in case that you want to do multiple ones. You can have a memory display right here and also a digital display. And of course, the other good thing that I really like about this one, it comes with a sensor. So the sensor is gonna auto detect. Let me actually try to do something right here. Yep. I mean, it's just the sensors right here. So whenever you're close to it, putting a bill or something like that, it's going to actually start counting. And of course, the other good thing I like is that comes with another separate digital display with a long cable. So you can actually put the machine in one place. And if you have another person working with you, one can do the counting and the other one could be like the bookkeeping or something like that. So let's take a closer look now. So the way that I have it set up right here is with the value total of $100 bills. And of course, this one's going to tell me the pieces, but also going to make the plum sum, everything right here. So for you, you're going to see that it's super fast and you can change the value. You can add batches. You can add some other kind of like currencies as well. And the other one is you have the function as well over here for setting up this right here on the top. But let's just check how fast this one is. So that's it. 80, 100, 8,000. That's it. You don't have to do anything else. And you keep adding. So you can see this one right here. You can keep adding the batches. Like this one, it's just like resetting every time. Or you can do batches and just keep adding to the plum sum over there. So this one, super fast, reliable, compact enough with this separate display over here as well that you can put the pieces or you can put the amount over there as well. So I think that this one could be the one for your store or whatever you want to use it. Compact, powerful, reliable. Thumbs up.